Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuhu. Welcome to NOORVERSE Global. Today, I'll show you how to create amazing AI videos directly from YouTube using Google Gemini. Watch until the end. It's an AI assistant integrated into YouTube. It helps generate ideas, scripts, and titles. Content creation becomes much easier. Availability varies by country and account. Let's open the YouTube app. Click here to access Gemini. Now we'll type our prompt. To improve prompts, add detail. Specify the tone and audience. Open YouTube app. Just as you can clearly see, you just click on this plus icon and it will take you directly to this screen. Click it to create videos. Note, you can only create vertical videos here, and it's also 10 seconds each, as we all know. But I will teach you how to combine your 10-second videos and make them into longer videos, inshallah. I use AI for planning and production, but the Qur'an remains exactly as revealed. Alif, Lam, Mim. This is the book about which there is no doubt. Here are some tips for better AI prompts. Be specific and mention the style. Always mention the audience and the duration. Review the output carefully, especially for Islamic. AI helped me create great educational videos. Always review materials before publishing. This ensures accuracy. Consistency matters for your channel. From my own experience, AI has changed how I create educational videos. Before, creating one video could take many hours. I had to do everything manually. Now, it's much easier. Success on YouTube does not come from uploading 1 or 2 videos. It comes from learning, improving, and creating useful content regularly. Some days, my videos perform. Today, AI helps me organize my ideas, better scripts, and even generate visuals for it. It has made my work faster and more efficient. However, I have learned an important lesson. This is especially important when creating Islamic content. If I use Qur'anic verses, hadith, or Islamic teachings, I verify everything to make sure it is accurate. Is the importance of consistency. Never publish AI-generated content without reviewing it carefully. AI can make mistakes. That is why I always review my content before sharing it with others. Well, other days they don't. But I keep learning, keep improving, and keep creating because every video teaches me something new. My advice to anyone starting with AI is simple. Use AI as a tool to help you, but let your own knowledge guide the final result. Inshallah, if you stay consistent, you will improve. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. May Allah reward everyone who uses technology to spread beneficial knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.